Hello, everyone. This is Jen Ren Stewart, and I am here to do an unboxing of some very special things. And I'm glad you're along with me. I have a friend, Lindsay from Arkansas. I'd love to introduce Lindsay. How are you doing? The kids are clapping for you. Oh my gosh. So, Lindsay, I have been so excited to share something with you because I was thinking about Valentine's Day. It's
Mhm.
coming up. And you've got like this list of people that you want to reach out to. Some of them maybe the romantic types, some of them maybe more of a friend. And that you want to say, hey, I love you. I want to send you something. But it's hard because what do you send? What do you like to get, for instance, when you get a
Yeah, we all have everything we want, so I
yeah.
just want the stuff I need, which is usually like wine and weed and THC products. Actually,
that's that's because you're special. But I'm the same way. I mean, I love wine. I like anything that basically allows me to relax because I'm just going, going, going all day. And at the end of the day, it's hard to stop because you're just going. And, especially right now, I know it's COVID and everything, but, more stress than ever. So everyone's just, busting their backs, trying to get ahead while we can, in whatever way we can. And so, yeah, so I was thinking about this. And then I remembered my really good childhood friend has a CBD company called Leafwize, Leafwize with a Z. And I'm like, I totally know what to get Lindsay. So I contacted her. I'm like, are you doing anything for Valentine's? And she's like, well, yeah, I always like to do some type like of a gift box. I'm like, okay. Here's the thing. Can you get me one ASAP? I want to unbox it and show it to Lindsay because this is what I want to get Lindsay. So it's like, this is your preview.
oh, I get a sneak preview. It's like a special preview moment.
Exactly. So it's like I'm teasing you with this is what you will get when
That's
I ship it
great.
out.
I love that.
But yeah, and I wanted to help her out too and get the word out there just because not just because she's my friend, of course, but because her business is amazing. She's been doing this from the beginning when CBD was a new thing, and she's extremely smart and scientific about it. So I knew that her company was going to be amazing. Plus, she's super honest and just like the sweetest woman I've ever known. And so I really was like, go, go, go at the beginning. And then all these people kind of came into the market who have no idea what they're doing and they have inferior products and stuff. But I looked at the stuff she had and it's full spectrum CBD. It's not the isolate crud that other people peddle. That's not even worth it really. And so anyway, so she takes a lot of care in everything she does. So I was like, I'm so on board. So anyways, I am excited to show you some of these things that are coming your way in the mail.
Ooh,
And
generous.
oh my God, these little boxes are so cute. So without further ado, I'm going to change my cam. So I'm going to now magically turn into a poof box.
Ooh, that was fast.
I am now a great box.
Love the purple wrapping. Is that how it's
Like,
going to be mailed out to people?
yes,
Ooh.
this is super, super cute. I almost don't want to open it because,
Like a
yeah,
cake that's beautiful and it's like you don't want to eat it.
right? I know, but I would because it's cake. And come on, it's cake. All right, so I'm going to open this like the friendly way because uh, it's too pretty and I'm
Yeah,
scared.
I'm more of a rip and tear kind of
You
person,
can do that when I
but
send
I
you
don't have my
yours.
nails done, so
That's
I would
true.
thread my fingies to like claw it open.
Yeah, if you're watching this doesn't happen a lot. This was pretty special. So okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh,
Mhm.
there's the icon there for Leafwise, the owl. The wise, get it? Leafwise. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, check
Is
this
that a
out.
bath bomb? That's where my attention is going
Well,
first.
that's what we're going to talk about first then, if that's where your attention's going. Oh my gosh, yes. Check this out. Ooh, I'm gonna sniff it off camera, okay?
Yeah, sniff it because I am a huge fan of Epsom salt baths for many reasons. Holistic healing ones, treat yourself ones, and like just do good for your body ones. And like bath bombs have become like a
Oh,
pandemic, like, you know,
true,
get yourself
true.
a spa moment. It's like an inside spa moment. So I
Yeah,
love that you can get CBD bath bombs. I didn't
yeah,
know that was even a thing.
I know. And I was a huge early adopter of just bath bombs because I like watching them fizz up. And then I like to just lay in there until it's so cold that finally you just give up and you have to get out of the bath. But this is 100 milligram CBD bath bomb. So this is going to deliver a ton of CBD. You just drop it into the hot bath and it just starts fizzing and going crazy. And then all of a sudden you find that you're in super relaxation mode. So I love these. This one smells really good. It has like a very real lavender scent. And I'm saying that because have you ever smelled something where they say it's lavender scent, but it's not real lavender? I'm going to hold it up to sniff that. Sniff,
because
sniff.
I bet they've used, if I'm guessing, I bet they've used lavender essential oil in it, which is a perfectly like a perfect additive to a CBD bath bomb. I couldn't think of it better myself.
Exactly. Yeah. They use all essential oils and it's the real deal, which makes a difference to me because I have skin allergies. And if it is something artificial and gross, then it just bugs me. So, okay, that is the bomb, literally. Okay. Now, what are you most excited about next? I will talk about whatever.
Thing directly next to the bomb that looks like it. Yeah, that one. Nope, that one. Yep.
Whatever that is. All right. This is, this one's going to get you in trouble. CBD lotion. It's got 300 milligrams. 300 milligrams. I almost like stuttered over that. Like mama milligrams?
Like muscle soreness lotion.
Sure. Like, okay. Or massage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Anything. Any place you need to deliver some healing.
She has this, as a sports cream, which is helpful because I've been getting back into working out really heavily in my garage and I am constantly sore. Literally every day I have been sore. And this is such a quick way to get it right to that area. So like you were saying with your shoulders, if you work in front of a
I think a lot of us in work from home life, if you don't set up your life ergonomically with a keyboard, you end up getting like that shoulder bad posture slump. So like everybody's probably neck and shoulders hurt right now.
Let's see here. Let's get this to. Yes, everyone is having that slouched over. I've been at a computer all day. Look,
my grandmother was mortified.
I was going to try to make a little heart out of this to see if I could. Let me see if I join them together here. Did I make a heart?
You made a great dose of CBD lotion delivery. I don't know if it's a heart.
It's kind of a Rorschach. Like, what do you see? I see a heart.
I see on my shoulder is what I see.
Oh my gosh. I got to tell you something. You would never guess what flavor it is, though. It's mango. Oh. Mango. It is so amazing. So I'm putting it on my hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I wish you could smell this.
I know.
Way too fun with it.
I can't wait. This is you've got me enticed for my like Valentine's Day gift now. Like
you're going to be able to pamper yourself.
What's happening in the little tube next to the bath bomb?
Okay, this one or this one?
Smaller little thing. Yeah.
Okay. This is my number one go-to favorite thing in the whole world. I don't know if you can see it up here. It is CBD lip balm.
I'm a lip balm. I need chapstick around me all the time. This is
exactly.
OG, but yes.
It is grueling right now. It's freezing outside. It's dry. I have to apply this first thing. I mean, I do it several times during the day, but first things first. And if you like to wear makeup, this goes under every lipstick, everything I ever do, because it just kind of creates this barrier. Plus it gives you the CBD you need too. So you're getting everything at once, which is really nice.
I feel like what having CBD on my lips feels like.
Oh, let me tell you.
Sounds awesome.
And we need that. We need the love right now.
It's a good season for self-care and pampering, and this looks like a great way to do it.
Exactly. That's true. I think that is, if I could say, the theme of everything is self-care, taking care of yourself, a time to kind of reflect and rebuild and be ready to engage with the world again. And this, I just wanted to make one more note before I put this down. It has vitamin E and aloe in it, which is really nice. But you could get it in different flavors. So you could get this in peppermint, acai, blackberry, cinnamon, or even strawberry lemonade. This one's cinnamon, so I'm going to have fun with it. But you'll have to let me know a little later what your favorite is so I can make your box.
Probably. I'm like a very purist essential oil person. So
okay, I'm
the peppermints, the weirder, the herbier, the better for me.
Well, your wish is my command. Don't spit it out. All right. So we are on to the CBD oil, which everyone is pretty familiar with tinctures. And
But this
this,
is an under the tongue tincture or an in the food or drink tincture?
okay, here's the great thing. This is all of those. This is
Okay.
one that you can put a couple drops underneath your tongue, which is where I began when I first tried this product. And it is amazing because immediately I would come home from a stressful day at work and I would put a couple drops underneath my tongue, and all of a sudden I am just
But
super
you're
relaxed and hanging
oh,
out. And of course, there's no THC in this. This is legal in all 50
yeah.
states. This is made from hemp, and it's got everything to just make things. It's like a glass of wine, pretty much, or maybe a really good cup of tea,
Ooh, I
but
would like
on
to drop
steroids.
2 drops in a glass of wine and see what that does.
Oh, well, I got something for your wine here in a second. So I have something perfect to pair with your wine. So just hang on to that thought. But we were kind of talking about massages and things like that. If you've got a significant other that you can rope into massaging, or you want to give yourself the best foot massage ever, you could put some drops of this into your favorite oil or your favorite massage oil or lotion. I'm a big fan of coconut, so I use a lot of coconut oil here. So sometimes I like to thin it out so I can just, use it in different ways.
I like magnesium oil. And it's just, yeah, like I could totally see yeah,
I,
little
I
concoction.
do just check that out though. 500 milligrams. That's some potent stuff. So,
Careful.
yay, coming your way, coming your way. Okay, so you were talking about having some wine, and I enjoy a nice glass of wine. Uh, Here's what's going to make your wine even better. We have CBD chocolate. Oh, yeah. And
Doing
let
my
me go.
favorite part.
Oh, both milk chocolate and dark chocolate are in here. There are different flavors that are available as well. And I'm going to just check really quick to make sure which ones, because I thought it was just amazing. Oh, it doesn't say on here yet because we are getting the preview. So I think there's a drop down menu where you can choose different variations. Sorry, I was turning it because I'm like,
Dark
oh,
chocolate
I just want
cow.
to rip these open and eat them.
I like a dark chocolate and like a cab. So
A
dark
cacao,
cheese,
or as
like
I say,
a Cabernet Sauvignon.
cacao. A cab would be perfect because it's really bold. It's very, it's got that bottom end. And the dark chocolate would go great with that. I think that's a perfect choice. It's got 50 milligrams per square, which is
That's a lot.
pretty, yeah, like I would actually just break off half of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm going to open this up because I think they probably want to see, hey, what does that look like on the inside?
For comparison, for the THC people that actually kind of, there are dual audiences oftentimes. I'm kind of a dual audience, and I've found some of the CBD edibles can be stronger than the ones that have THC. So it is always best to like take a little nibble, wait a little hour, and then see
Sure.
how you feel. Just
I agree. You
life
never
lesson,
know.
hard learning.
Well, and I found out too, with CBD, a little goes a long way with me. For some reason, it just takes a little, and all of a sudden, I'm just
Pharmacology is different. So
exactly. Everyone's different, and we're not doctors. We're definitely not giving out any type of
certainly not
medical
that.
advice.
We're just
But
girls that like CBD and like talking to each other.
right, right, right. And this is something we can both get behind because
True.
it's yummy.
Really
Uh,
beautifier. That's what we need more of in our country right
exactly. Who? Right. We're on Team CBD. Who's not on Team CBD? So I just wanted to show like how big the squares are, but this is perfect for me because I'm also watching my weight. And so this kind of helps me not overindulge. I'm not going to eat this whole thing, but this is going to last me so
now. At
long.
least a week and a half.
Oh yeah. I mean, well, I'm going to want to eat it all right away, but we all know I'm struggling. I'm struggling with that. I want to eat it all now. But that is just a
That's
huge
good. That's
amount of gifts. So you can pamper yourself over at least a couple of weeks. You're going to be looking at actually even longer because this is going to last so long because you're going to be putting it in your coffee probably in the
but
morning.
I
And
know I'm gonna do the bath bomb first, so I'm gonna want to order more of them right away. So
true.
you're gonna
And
need to let
yeah,
me know where I can get that.
I will definitely. And if you go to leafwize.com, www.leafwize with a Z, so
Okay.
leafwize.com, that's how you can go and check them out, see their products. Definitely check out this Valentine special, because I think that whoever you give this to, whether it's a parent or a friend or
Because a
me.
lot of I've heard honestly, and this is a concern some of my friends have shared with me. They have older parents that
Mhm.
are very against taking medication and
Yeah.
very against maybe trying some of these new medications that could actually really improve their quality of life. So, yeah, like sometimes if the parent, like who knew you could feel this good?
I
And
have heard so many stories from people who are, retired, and they've got aches and pains. And in fact, I had a next door neighbor who it really helped his constant back pain that he had. And that's kind of when I started, learning about CBD, and was people who were dealing with pain. And when I started using it, was to relax, but it's really great that they can do something other than like these major, have a bottle of pills to have to take. So that's a great alternative, in my view. This, excuse me, this box is called the Share the Love CBD box. So that's going to be up on their site. Check that out. And here's a cool thing that she did for me over there. She created my own coupon code, which bucket list. I got my own coupon code for all my friends out
that's
there,
some next level
right?
stuff.
Right. And I figure that's going to be helpful because, like you said, some people are going to need extra bath bombs after they try the first one. They're going to be like, I need a lot of these,
10 right now.
like ammunition just waiting there. So you can enter in the code JenRenLove, JenRenLove, for the time of love coming up, Valentine's Day. And I just think this is going to be great. So check them out. They've got tons of products, and really something for everyone, depending on what you want to use. And one thing I didn't even mention that I totally forgot is that if you're keto, this is totally keto. People swear by this. This is your
Keto
bulletproof
people don't.
coffee in the morning. So, I mean, you've got something literally for everyone here, including me who needs chocolate to survive. Well, anyways, Lindsay, it has been so much fun unboxing this with you. And I just want to thank you for all of the help you've given me, and you've contributed to my musical projects and just really elevated them with your amazing voice. And I really wanted to thank you for being here too, just today, just to have fun and have some girl time.
It's been a great outlet while we're all inside, and like I kind of got bored and became an accidental local food influencer. So I'm over at Lindsay from Arkansas on Instagram. It's mostly just pictures of what I'm eating, but people seem to like it, and it seems to support the local restaurants with like user generated content. So if it's a win-win for everyone, like I just love
Absolutely. Go check out Lindsay's stuff. I got to say, it always triggers me to want to eat it, but I'm still glued
yeah.
because the food is just on. Oh,
I eat
and you
very,
know what?
very well.
And it's also giving me a little peek into the real world that we're going to all enter here soon. So,
Yeah, exactly.
all right, Lizzie, you are a love. I love you. Thank you so much. Expect to see some stuff from me, and we'll talk soon. And thank you, Leafwize, for the amazing box of goodies. All right. I'll talk to you later.
Right.
Bye.